The Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation (NDIC) has commenced the liquidation and payment of insured depositors of Heritage Bank by the Central Bank of Nigeria. The Managing Director NDIC Bello Hassan, who disclosed this at the news conference at the corporation's headquarters in Abuja, said payment to insured depositors will start before the next 48 hours. He said over 400 NDIC staff have been deployed to 116 branches and regional offices of Heritage Bank across the country to carry out the liquidation exercise. Bello Hassan said out of 2.3 million depositors of the failed bank, only 4,000 have more than 5 million naira in their bank accounts.
Maximum amount which was just reviewed this year is 5 million per depositor. So if you have 10 naira, we pay you 10 naira. If you have 100 naira, we pay you 100 naira. If you have 5 million naira, we pay you 5 million naira. If you have 10 million naira, we pay you 5 million naira now, because that is the maximum insured amount. After this, the next process is for us to realize all the assets, both physical and the loans that the bank granted while it was in operation.
The Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation boss said that 2023 NDIC Act has expanded as well as strengthened its mandate.
Before now, one of the greatest challenges that NDIC faces is that of recovery because of insufficient legal framework that empowers the corporation to be able to recover those loans that were granted by banks in liquidation. We must thank the legislators for passing the NDIC Act 2023. It has really sufficiently empowered NDIC to be able to recover these debts that were granted by the banks in liquidation. And I want to assure the banking public that we are going to leverage on those powers to be able to recover as much as possible. And we are starting this process as quickly as possible, because there's really no time to waste, because we know those depositors are waiting to realize their deposits. We believe by doing so, it will go a long way in generating confidence within the system and thereby promoting stability.
He, however, pointed out that despite the failed bank giving out loans worth over 700 billion naira, the preliminary amount of the bank stands at 650 billion naira. CNN News.